Hey folks, how's it going? Today I'm going to dig up these potatoes. I've not got a great hope for them because the slugs have absolutely decimated them. I'm really disappointed. The slugs have gone to town on everything. For some reason the courgette has done really well. The courgette's done really well. I've had half a dozen courgettes off at round ones and they've been delicious. But the potatoes, oh my goodness. I'm going to go back to 10 slug traps, checking them every night. This is my very first no dig bed. Made it in February, March time, I can't quite remember. And I planted half a dozen potatoes, of which I've taken one out, was about there. And I got a nice bowl of potatoes from it, absolutely no problem, they were lovely. But I just think these potato plants are so poorly, they can't possibly be providing any nutrients to the potatoes beneath the soil now. And that's the size of bowl I brought, that's my expectation of what I'll be taking back home. So that's my potato digging kit assembled. I'll just go on with it. Very pleased, they're really quite healthy looking. So I'll work out what to do with them. Maybe get some potatoes from seeds. You can't eat these, they're completely poisonous, so don't eat them. If this is the only potato that I get, I'll be delighted. Look at that! Cracker! So I am going to put them in the scales and see exactly how many we have got. Hopefully if I zoom on that you can see that. So I'll just zero it. 0, excellent. Right. Let's see how many we've got. I'm hoping for about 800. Oh, looks like we've got a lot more than 800. Kilo. Excellent. There we go. 1494, so almost 1.5 kilo. Isn't that amazing? That is absolutely brilliant. I am so pleased with that. So that was a very quick potato reveal. Not the biggest of harvests from half a dozen potatoes, but in my defence and to justify it, that was a brand new bed with manure that was probably only 80% composted. We had the driest and hottest June that you can imagine, and I didn't water the beds or feed them, so the only water they received was from the sky or the trapped moisture beneath the hay mulch. When July came with the rain, so did some very hungry slugs. They came out the wet ground and they were starving. They practically wiped out all the potatoes overnight. So it's taken a while to get on top of that. I'm pleased with what I've got for doing absolutely nothing other than putting some old potatoes in the ground. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a like and a possible subscribe, that would be amazing. Take care, bye.